How to make gel alcohol hand sanitizer using soap and water is the best and most traditional way to get your hands clean, but there are times when you simply can't get to a sink to wash them. Gel alcohol hand sanitizer is an excellent and portable solution to this dilemma, and it's incredibly easy to make at home. Not only is making gel alcohol hand sanitizer at home an excellent project for both children and adults, but you'll also save money and end up with a great product that keeps you and your family safe from germs. Small bottles make great gifts. Making gel alcohol hand sanitizer without fragrance. Obtain your ingredients. The components needed to make gel alcohol hand sanitizer are common household products, so it's quite possible that you already have them. If you don't, you can obtain them easily at any drug or grocery store. You will need rubbing isopropyl alcohol that is at minimum 91% pure and plain aloe vera gel. That's it. To be comparable to store-bought products like Purell or Germ-X in terms of effectiveness, the final product needs to be at least 65% alcohol. Using 91% isopropyl alcohol will place your final product within that range. If you can find 99% isopropyl alcohol, choose that. It's not required, but it will increase the germ-killing effectiveness of your final product. Aloe vera gel also comes in a variety of purity options. You'll want the purest that you can find. Simply check out the label to get the purity information. This doesn't alter the effectiveness of the product, but using the purest you can find will ensure that your final mixture contains the least amount of additives and additional chemicals. Gather your tools. The tools needed are also very common household items, which makes this process even easier. You'll need a clean bowl, a spatula or spoon, a funnel and a recycled liquid soap or hand sanitizer bottle. If you don't have an empty bottle on hand to upcycle, you can use any kind of container you want, as long as it has a lid. Combine the ingredients. Measure out 2/3 cup of isopropyl alcohol and 1/3 cup of plain aloe vera gel and dump both of them together into the bowl. Use your spatula or spoon to stir vigorously until the ingredients are fully mixed together. If you'd prefer not to mix by hand in a bowl, you can use your food processor instead. Bottle your product. Use the funnel to pour the mixture directly from the bowl into the bottle you've chosen to use. Replace the pump, lid or cap on your bottle. Now you have your finished product and it's ready to use immediately. The mixture will keep for 6 months or more. Store it away from direct sunlight to get the longest shelf life possible. Put the mixture in smaller bottles that can easily fit into a purse, backpack or briefcase for use on the go. If you purchase any commercial sanitizers, save the bottles so that you can upcycle them later. Since those are perfect for this, you can usually purchase new empty bottles of this size at the grocery store. Check the aisle with travel-size personal care items. Use the sanitizer correctly. There is actually a proper way to use sanitizer to get maximum effectiveness from the product. Before you start, make sure your hands are clean of visible dirt and grime. Sanitizer isn't meant for situations when you find your hands dirty with actual dirt. Using about a palm-sized amount of the sanitizer, rub your hands briskly together for 20 to 30 seconds, taking care to get underneath your fingernails, between your fingers, the back of your hands and your wrists. Allow the sanitizer to dry completely, without wiping your hands off or rinsing them with water. Once the sanitizer dries completely, the process is complete.